Hey everybody, we're on another one, San Bernardino National Forest. We're gonna check out Big Bear, a couple trails, some campsites. It's gonna be a good one, going up the Holcomb Valley. Let's get on it. Extremely high, fire danger, be careful people. This turns into 3N16. Here we go, folks. Old Beaver. All right. Perfect. Van Dusen cabin. Look at that view. Founded in late 1859. Y'all hear the Beatles? Look at this cabin. Bellevue, Holcomb Valley. Everybody home? Belleville was named after Belle Van Dusen, the first child born in Holcomb Valley. She was the daughter of Ted Van Dusen, the town blacksmith, an early pioneer. This was a little cabin. They must have lifted it and put the foundation down. The first child in Holcomb Valley was born here. This was their gold ore grinder. All right, here we go. The Ross grave. For pine trees. Later, Mr. Ross. The pygmy cabin. This is a typical cabin dwelling during the 1860s gold rush days. Live out here in 1860. Looking for a campsite right now. I think we found one. This looks pretty good, right? Nice, right? All right. Hey, what do you think of this spot? This is amazing. Huh. Look what we have here. Well, anyways, we're gonna light up this 11 of 1951. There you go, civil defense. Cheers. Enjoy. And yeah, we have cell service. Morning, folks. It's 39 degrees this morning. Make some coffee. Now we wait. It's starting to get warmed up. Still bubbling. Oh yeah. Not sure how rough this road is, but the cabin off to our right. Watch out, little Lizzie. Hangman's Tree. That is an old guy. All right. Well, that was Hangman's Tree. Very nice, rural camping. All right, let's see what this one is. Jonathan Tabbitt's Grasshopper Quartz Hill. Huh, I think I'll pass on that one. All right, taking this beauty, look at this. This is definitely a nice little sightseeing trail. Another trail marker, could be PCT. Hey, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a great adventure. Thanks again. See you on the next one.